On-chain governance is how decentralized protocols make decisions without centralized control. In this video, we'll explain how governance works in Web3, how DAOs vote, and why on-chain governance is a key pillar of decentralization. Governance in Web3 refers to how rules are created, updated, and enforced within a protocol. These decisions can include upgrading smart contracts, adjusting fees, or deciding how a treasury is used. Governance ensures protocols can evolve over time. There are two main governance approaches, off-chain and on-chain. Off-chain governance happens through forums, discussions, and tools like Snapshot. On-chain governance happens directly on the blockchain, where smart contracts execute decisions automatically. Governance tokens give holders the power to vote on proposals. The more tokens you hold, the more voting power you usually have. Popular governance tokens include UNI, AAVE, and COMP, each representing influence in their respective protocols. The governance process typically follows a clear flow. A proposal is created, the community discusses it, voting opens for a fixed period, and if quorum is met, the proposal is executed. On-chain governance removes the need for trust in human intermediaries. DAOs use governance to manage real protocol decisions. This includes upgrading smart contracts, allocating treasury funds, changing interest rates, or adding new features. Governance allows global communities to collectively steer protocols. One major benefit of on-chain governance is transparency. Every vote is public and verifiable. Decisions are executed automatically by smart contracts, reducing manipulation and censorship while giving users a real sense of ownership over the protocol. Despite its strengths, governance has challenges. Many token holders don't vote, leading to voter apathy. Large token holders, or whales, can dominate decisions. And complex proposals can be difficult for average users to fully understand. To address these issues, protocols experiment with different governance models. These include token delegation, where users assign votes to experts, and quadratic voting, which reduces the influence of large holders while amplifying smaller voices. On-chain governance is how Web3 protocols grow, adapt, and stay decentralized. Understanding it is essential for anyone building or participating in DAOs. To learn more Web3 fundamentals, join the next HackQuest co-learning camp at hackquest.io.